Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on time management, and the question is, why aren't 24 hours a day enough? I'm tired. I look forward to the weekends, but I'm so busy Monday through Friday. I have so much responsibility. I have so many tasks to complete. I work late. I struggle to get everything done. I make up time by sleeping less. Probably not a good idea. Why aren't 24 hours a day enough? We all get the same 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. How are you spending yours? In my time management seminar, participants fill out a worksheet and reflect on where their time goes Monday through Friday. The questionnaire is broken down into 3 sections: utility time, employment time, and discretionary time. Utility time includes sleeping, bathing, dressing, eating, commuting, and traveling. Employment time includes working, taking breaks, waiting for others, and socializing with staff. Now, discretionary or leisure time includes athletic and health activities, television or multimedia viewing, or hobbies, housework, family, and social activities. This is what we discover. I often have seminar participants trying to squeeze 27 hours into a 24-hour day. And just like you, many say they make it up by sleeping less. I would not recommend this strategy. Instead, I recommend that we make minor adjustments in our behaviors to get back in balance. Answer these questions. What can you do 5% less of? That would free up time so you could spend 5% doing more of something else. What 5% can you stop doing so you have 5% to start doing something new? If my math is correct, that's a 20% difference in behavior. That's a day a week. Wouldn't it be great to have a day a week to focus on what you believe to be the best use of your time? This minor adjustment will have a major impact on your work and life balance. So, I need to invest some time to adjust my behaviors to enjoy my life. I will dial it in like a combination lock: 5% less, 5% more, 5% stop, 5% start. I will start to consider what I can stop doing. Sorry, Kit, I have to get going. I don't have time for this. Thank you for watching this video blog on time management. And the question was, why aren't 24 hours a day enough? Become more efficient by creating systems for routine tasks. Consider tasks you can delegate to others and let them go. Stop participating in activities that are truly a waste of time. Invest your newfound available time in more valuable activities. Your time is precious. Please treat it that way. If you or members of your organization are struggling with time management, contact me at kit@welchlin.com, and I will provide a presentation packed with time management strategies that work.